talking or something.
No, because me the thing say you just go on and do all the talking first.
And she always have a love talk.
No man.
Or me always do all I talking for the video. But guys, Happy New Year from ChriSamz.
Happy New Year, guys.
Samuel is missing, but I'm sure he would love to tell you guys Happy New Year as well. But guys, it's a brand new year, fresh start, and I'm not sure how much I want to say the thing we are going on, the picture we are going on. I said, boy, your bank account empty to start the new year, so that's treat it as a fresh start. So we are start over.
Yeah.
The things that we will never get right in 2021. You have the opportunity now in 2022 to work on it and perfect your craft. Right?
Right.
So, I know we all have our challenges, we all have our struggles, but in the midst of all of that, we had our success, we had our blessings, we had days when we triumph, we had days when it's nothing but joy, happiness, all sad, all depressing. Yes, we know what's happening with the pandemic and all, but we still have to be grateful we have life and we have another opportunity.
That's right.
So, Sammy have something excited to tell you guys.
Me? Or
that
you?
January 2nd is...
What's happening?
January 2nd is...
What's happening?
Okay, so guys, on January 2nd of the year 2022,
yes,
we will be celebrating or
drum roll. Our 6th anniversary, guys. So we reached a 6 already.
Yeah, we are not a part of the 6, just in case you're associating the year with something. But
yeah,
6 years fly fast, people. We're not telling a lie.
right.
And I feel like we're just married. I feel like this is a new start. You don't know what I mean, since it's a new year.
Okay.
And today is a new day.
New what else?
And this year, somebody gonna buy me some new things.
Yeah, man. Whole heap of new things.
Yes. So, I don't know what I plan to do this year. I'm not telling anybody what I plan to do. I just go and do things.
That's right.
Zine?
To get up and do things.
Yeah, man. Sometimes you have your plans written down. Sometimes I say yes, and this you want to do and that you want to do.
You don't always go as planned.
Exactly. And say when you have it like that all the time and it don't work, at times that will depress you. That in itself will make you feel like saying I accomplished nothing at all.
True.
But other things that you did not plan for worked out. Zine? So that is why I'm saying just get up and live life. Yes, make sure say you don't have a budget. Make sure say you don't have no goals on the target you want to meet. But nothing is cast in stone. If it work, it work. If it don't work, it don't work. Get up and give thanks every day. Hear Sammy say?
Try again.
Alright. So one point I would like to make, and Sammy can say it about what we're about to tell you guys today.
So, where you want to start?
You can tell them about the pictures we're going to take and then what we end up with.
Okay. So, it's a yearly thing for us, right? Me love take pictures from
Me
day
love
one.
take pictures now too.
Yeah, because eventually it rub off my head.
Well, after 6 years, I must rub it by now.
Okay. So yeah, so we went to take our anniversary pictures. Like all the years or most of the time, I thought we will link, right? And we use the phone or if we have one camera or anything, we get that sorted out, right? So this year now we went to Hope Gardens to take some pictures. But Tommy, being the person that he is, at one point he started to video, right? So during taking the pictures in my video, snap video, whatever. So afterwards now, I watch one of the videos, and I actually say it, I say it, but it like Chris never hear me. But I said to him, say, yo, this look like one new intro. And guess what? Syria, a new intro we are going to show you.
Yes, so at the end of this video, you guys will be the first to see our brand new
intro.
So,
nice.
New Year.
New intro.
Alright.
What if I do things?
We basically have said we never planned to do a new intro.
Not at all.
We did not go out there to shoot a new intro. But whatever it is that we went to do, we got that done. And then the opportunity came where we got something else from it.
That's it.
So for this year, with that said, go and go do your thing. Things will happen and it will amaze you, it will amaze others. But at the end of the day, make sure say you enjoy life and enjoy yourself. Make yourself happy. Make the people around you happy. Whatever it is that makes you happy, make sure say about that flow. That's all I'm gonna say. Zine, don't make work stress you too much. I'm a tough fact, don't let life overall stress you too much. It's a bit stressy, yes.
Yeah, for everybody.
For me now, sometimes I like to drink a little alcohol and thing, and among other things I would have to breeze off my mind and thing. Sometimes you can just go out and one look hotel if you can afford it, that is.
Or find a villa, you have those that's not too expensive.
Yeah. You can go to the beach, or if you like to chill with people, hang out with your friends.
Sports bar or something.
And sometimes one little video call or one voice call can really help because when you call someone and say, how you do, you alright, and thing. Things out there work, find what works for you. That's all I'm saying. So, it really up to Uno. And guys, thank you guys so much from our family for all the support that you have shown since we've started our channel. That in itself also surprised us. Yeah?
But we're still grateful. We have to be grateful.
Yeah. We never planned for which part with it, but it happened. I want to see how much time you're telling the same thing in a different situation, different scenarios, different sentences. And not always what you plan for, but things do happen.
That's true.
I mean, put your best foot forward for this year. Live your best life for this year. Tomorrow is not promised unto anybody. So if you want to live today, me not gonna go spend out everything where you have today.
No.
Don't eat up all of the food in your house today. But I'm saying live your best life today. So guys, we now go draw out this video no more. We just want to know say we're good. Just want to know say everybody's keeping safe. And see a mental being. Make sure say
Right, no?
Dr. Chris. What's that name? I thought that name. Dr. Christopher Tufton him name. He might talk about COVID, but me are telling us say protect on the mental health. Go drink some juice, drink some water, drink some wine, play 2 games, make a 1 phone call, go kick 2 balls.
Visit your family members.
Yeah.
Enjoy life.
I think some have more for telling her and she'll try to hold it back in her. And I'm not going to say. Anyways, guys, it's time for something new. to start off the new year. So here we go.
And don't forget to tell us in the comments what you think. Let me know what you think. If you look good and thing, anyway.
If you don't like it, you can tell us you like it too. Sorry, I mixed up that.
No, if they don't
if
like it.
If you don't like it, you can say that you don't like it.
Yeah, so
see? Or if you didn't prefer the other one, you can tell us you didn't prefer the other one.
Yeah.
But you know, so from time to time, things have to change. Things in life change all the time. So, remember to subscribe if you're new to this channel. And there are persons who are not new, but they're still not subscribed yet. In 2022, please to subscribe. Please to like this video. Share with a friend. Leave us a comment. And guys, remember, so we're going to drop the video for the intro right now. And as Sammy always say,
the journey continues.
Take care, guys, and we'll see you for the rest of the year. Bye.
Bye.